Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to explain the animated movie Ballerina, also known as Leap. This is a beautiful story of a young orphan girl who dreams of becoming a ballerina and how she fights against all odds to achieve it. Our story begins right here. She loves to dance but she has never received any real training. Still in her heart she dreams of becoming a great ballerina one day. Her best feels magical. Victor quickly finds work as an assistant to an eccentric inventor, helping with projects like the Statue of Liberty, which was still being built at that time, who studies at the ballet school, and her controlling mother, Regine. They look down on Felicie immediately, mocking her for being poor and untrained, passion into every step. Slowly, Felicie begins to improve. Her natural energy combined with hard training makes her stand out decision. Only one girl will be chosen for a special solo in the Nutcracker. This sets up the ultimate rivalry between Felicie and Camille. But Justine cannot deny Felicie's talent. At last, Felicie is accepted into the opera ballet school, not because of lies or shortcuts, but because she earned it with her passion and determination. The movie ends with Felicie standing proudly on stage, looking out at the lights of Paris. Her journey as a ballerina has only just begun. Victor finds his place as an inventor and their friendship is restored. Ballerina teaches us that dreams are not only for the rich or the privileged. With hard work, courage, and belief in yourself, anything is possible. If you like this explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.